In this session, I am going to explain degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. 3 degrees of comparison is there. Degrees means nothing but here adjectives. Adjectives express our views through these 3 degrees. That is, here degrees of comparison we are using. It is also called as adjective 1, adjective 2, adjective 3. Positive degree adjective 1, comparative degree adjective 2, superlative degree adjective 3. Example through I will explain you clearly. Karan is a clever boy. Vijaya is cleverer than Sudha. Mani is the cleverest of all the boys. In these 3 sentences, 3 different adjectives we are using here. Whenever we change it from one form to another, the meaning of the sentence does not change. That is called degrees of comparison. Karan is a clever boy. We are saying about Karan. Karan is a clever boy. Expressing about Karan. Vijaya is cleverer than Sudha. Here 2 nouns we are using. Comparison between 2 nouns. Then we are using adjective 2. That is also called as comparative degree. Mani is the cleverest of all the boys. Here Mani noun comparing with remaining boys. All the boys. So then we are using superlative degree. Clever is positive degree. Cleverer is comparative degree. Cleverest is superlative degree. It is called degrees of comparison. When we change it from one form to another, the meaning of the sentence does not change. That should be keep it in your mind. Formation of comparative and superlative. Degrees of adjectives are formed in different ways. How it change in different ways? Suppose it is monosyllabic word, simply we are adding er or est for comparative and superlative. Suppose it is ends with y. Suppose it is monosyllabic also ends with y, then we are adding when we form comparative ier and superlative iest. Adjective multisyllabic prefix with more or most. That means here suppose that adjective is in multisyllable, then we are using prefix more and most also. Then you should keep it in your mind these 3 rules. Clever. Whenever we take example clever adjective, comparative cleverer, superlative cleverest. Why should we add only er and est? Because clever is single syllabic word. Single syllabic means syllable means what? Only one vowel sound is there. Clever. So that we are adding er in comparative, superlative est. And same way cold. Cold, it is also single syllabic word. So er and est simply we are adding there for comparative and superlative also. And now big. Big, bigger, biggest. So here er est we are adding because it is also single syllabic. And now happy. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy here in this same word only one syllable only there but ends with y, so that we are adding suffix here ier and iest. Whenever comparative you are forming ier and superlative iest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Same way. Easy, easier, easiest. And beautiful. Beautiful, it is not monosyllabic. It has more syllables. Beautiful. 3 syllabic word. So that whenever more syllables are there, simply we are adding one prefix. Whenever comparative we are writing there, more beautiful, most beautiful. In comparative, more beautiful. In superlative, most beautiful. Same way, difficult, it is also more syllables. One more syllable is there, so that more difficult, most difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. So these adjectives, different forms are there. Observe this: little, less, least, good, better, best. So like these adjectives, different forms are forming there. You have to remember it in your mind.
If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write in comment box. I will clarify it. The links of the remaining videos are given in the description box.